Good morning everyone, we're in Crystal Palace up in London today, working on this 2008 Iveco Daily. Customer called us in because although he's had an engine light on for an EGR valve fault for the last couple of years, it hasn't actually affected the drivability of the vehicle, but recently it started getting sluggish. So we've come in, done a diagnosis, and it is a straight EGR fault. We're giving it a 3-stage carbon clean. So that is, for those of you that don't know, our hydrogen generating machine, which is pumping hydrogen into the engine at the moment and burning off the carbon. Prior to that, we've put in our 3rd-stage chemical clean, which helps to clean the EGR off, but more importantly dry the carbon out so that the hydrogen can work more effectively, and our injector cleaner, just to make sure that the injectors are firing correctly, less carbon build up in the future. As we've told the client, there is no guarantee that we'll be able to resolve the EGR problem for him. It depends on whether it's damaged the EGR or not, but it's very important to have a engine clean to see if it can be cleaned up, and also to make sure that the engine is clean if there's a requirement for a new EGR valve. So it'll be fingers crossed for this client. He's going to take the vehicle for a drive afterwards. I'm sure he'll let us know if it's good or not, and if not, unfortunately he will need to buy a new EGR valve and have it fitted, but maybe we save him the money. Let's see what happens. So guys, if you need us, telephone number 01293 769495, or you can drop us a message and we'll be happy to help you. Have a great day.